Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my students. Now we are going to tackle about the science of rainbows. So let's explore how rainbows are made. So we have a very nice topic for this video. Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of rainbows. Have you ever seen a rainbows after it rains? Rainbows are one of the nature's most beautiful sights. But have you ever wondered how they are formed? In this lesson, we will learn how rainbows are made, what colors they have, and even create our own rainbow art. Are you excited? Before anything else, let's tackle about what is a rainbow. A rainbow is a magical arc of colors that appears in the sky when sunlight shines through raindrops. It's not something you can touch or grab, it's made of light. Rainbows happen when sunlight bends and separate into different colors, creating the beautiful rainbow we see after it rains. So now let's tackle about what are the colors in the rainbow. Rainbows always have seven colors. Pila ka colors? Seven. And they appear in the same order every time. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A fun way to remember them is by using the name Roy Jibiv, very common. Kahibo ako, kahibaw na kamo sini. Each letter stands for one of the colors. Can you say them all in order? So if ever nakahibaw na kamo about Roy Jibiv, easy na lang kaayo pagpasunod sa color sa rainbow using the Roy G. Biv. So now, how do rainbows form? Rainbows are created when sunlight passes through raindrops in the sky. So, di ba, nakafamiliar ka mo sinang kanta na there's always a rainbow after the rain? It is because ang rainbow, mahitabo man siya kung mo gawas na si sunlight and then maigo si water. Igkaigo ni water, mo bend ang light. That is why inigbend ni light, mo gawas ang colors. The raindrops act like tiny prism, bending the light and splitting it into different colors. This process is called refraction. What process? Refraction. Refraction is also known as the bending of light. When the light comes out of the raindrop, it spreads into seven colors of the same rainbow. Di ba ka-amazing kaayo? Like, si Sun lang ngayon, inigawas ni Sun, after the rain, mahit niya ang mga raindrops na nabilin. And then, inigahit na raindrops, mo bend ang light, mo gawas ang colors. 'Di ba amazing kaayo? So, the light itself ngayon, kay ara siya sang magic. So, now, let's discover the magic of light. Did you know that sunlight is actually made of all colors of the rainbow? Even though sunlight looks white to us or transparent siya, it is actually a mixture of color. When man mugawas ang iya color, kung maigo siya sang usa ka object, mo bend ang light, mugawas ang iya colors. So you can see this for yourself by shining a flashlight through a prism or a glass of water. It will split the light into a tiny rainbow. Nakabantay ka mo sinang kung maglaba ka mo, sunod may ara na dayon inang makwanda din yung magbula-bula na ang tubig. Sunod kung inyo na siya mabutang sa something na maigo siya sang light ang inyo linabahan, ang iya bubbles kay mo create sang rainbow. That is because ni-reflect ang colors ni light because of the water or ang mga water droplets dito sa imo linabhan. Imo siya makitaan through the bubbles. So here are fun facts about rainbows. So no two people see the same rainbow. Oh, 'di ba? Amazing. Kita ngayon tanan lain-lain ang aton pagkakita sang rainbow. Makasulti kita, "Hala rainbow tanana daw." Oh, mosulti tinango sa, "Hala oo, rainbow ara gayud." So since rainbows depend on how light moves, everyone sees them a little differently. Oh, gamay lang dili gayud kaayo siya grabe nga inang lain gayud ang imo color nga rainbow nga nakitaan Roy G. Bibb, so ang iya color pink lang. Dila ting-ana sina ha, differently depende sa aton eyes. So a rainbow is actually a full circle. Dili siya arc, but actually a full circle. But we usually see the top half because the ground blocks the rest. Okay? So, ang half lang ang aton makitaan because si rainbow nga yan, hangtod ngayon siya sa ubos. And then, ang ground, na black naman sang ground, o half na lang aton nakitaan. Pero actually, a rainbow is a circle. Sometimes, there are double rainbows. A second fainter rainbow can actually appear above the first one. If you're lucky, you might spot one. So for example, nakabantay ka mo sina ako, nakakita na ko sina na like may ara sang usa ka rainbow, so may ara pagayt sang usa ka rainbow. But the other rainbow is fader ang iya color. Inang mas hanap-hanap siya gamay. Pero ang usa, medyo dark pagayod. So amin na siya ang mga fun facts about rainbow. Now, you already know na kita ngayon lain-lain ng aton pagkakita sang rainbow, depende sa aton mata. Also, ang rainbow ngayon kay full circle. However, the grounds blocks it lang gayod. And then, ara sang double rainbow. Okay, so let's have the summary. Now, you know that rainbows form when light bends inside raindrops. They always have seven colors, atong Roy G. Biv. You can see rainbows after the rain when the sun is shining. We can create rainbows using art. In ang mga coloring materials, of course, grabe na nakasimple. So, now you tell me what was your favorite part about this video. Mm. I-send kang ma'am na ano ang inyong favorite part or favorite na know or na learn sini na video or like new, something new sa imo nga. Waka kahibaw nga, ay nga na ngayon sina ang rainbow. Thank you so much, and that would be all for our science discussion today. And always remember, the lesson for this one is all about refraction. Okay, so our lesson is about refraction, which is the bending of lights. And then, ako lang siya gipaagi sa discussion through rainbow. Thank you so much. Goodbye and amping everyone.